Great to see you, Peter. Thanks for joining us.
Hello, Wilfred. Good to be with you today.
Before we get to these new measures, I just wanted to see what you've experienced in the immediate short term, the last week or so. Clearly, cases have been spiking across America. Have you seen travel pick up as we approach Thanksgiving?
Well, we've seen a real change since October 15th when people had the ability to avoid quarantines in Hawaii with pre-travel testing. And we've seen bookings and the volumes on our airplanes begin to accelerate from the very low levels we had when there was no way around the quarantines. Things in the last week or so have stayed fairly flat in terms of forward bookings, maybe a little tick down with some of the spread of the disease throughout the mainland. But by and large, we're continuing that trend we've seen since October 15th with a little bit of recovery as we have the testing regime in place now.
Have you seen a pickup in bookings for, let's say, the middle of next year, following the positive vaccine news we've got over the last 2 or 3 Mondays in a row? Are people booking ahead in the hope that we'll have herd immunity across the country because of the vaccines?
We've seen a little bit of activity into next year, but to be candid, right now the booking curve is really compressed from what we historically have. Normally, bookings for Hawaii travel go out, over 3, 4, 5 month period. We've seen with excess capacity in the market as we have right now relative to the demand that people are making more of those decisions at the last minute. But we have seen a little pickup again since the October 15th news with people booking in the first quarter. And what we've seen out into the summer next year, a lot of it is people who had credits available because they had canceled plans to travel earlier this year, have rolled some of those credits into booking a vacation and thinking about their plans for next year.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.